37. Those ranging in ranks. This is a Makki Surah, and it was revealed sometime in the middle Makkan period. It has 182 verses in 5 sections. The surah speaks about the unity of Allah in very strong terms. It talks about the teachings of various prophets of Allah. All of them preached the same message. It gives warning to the non-believers that their plot against the message of Islam will not work. The truth will prevail. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The Lord of the heaven and earth is one God. The mockers at the Prophet of God will one day see the truth. The day of judgment will dawn suddenly. Number 2. The guilty shall be punished and virtuous will be rewarded. Number 3. Allah delivered Prophet Noah from his enemies. Prophet Ibrahim's encounter with idolatry. The test of Prophet Ibrahim. His willingness to sacrifice his son. Number 4. How Allah delivered Prophet Moses, Aaron, Ilyas, and Lut and punished their enemies. Number 5. How Prophet Yunus was delivered from the belly of the whale. Angels are not Allah's daughters. They are Allah's servants. Allah's messenger will succeed.